And so continuing on with building the Greek Parthenon today and looking again at theorems and our proofs. Today we're going to look at Theorem 6, and that's proven that each exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. And all that means really is that the exterior, the outside angle of any triangle is equal to the two angles inside it that are opposite, that are furthest away from that outside angle, that they are equal to each other. That's all. And so we're going to have a quick look now at our proof. Okay, so here in this one, as we said, here in Theorem 6, we've to prove that each exterior angle of a triangle, the outside one here, is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Well, the opposite angles to this on the inside are angle 1 and 2. So what we've been given then is a triangle with interior angles, and again I've labelled all the angles with numbers to make it easier during the proof. So we write down given a triangle with interior angles 1, 2 and 3 and the exterior angle 4. And so make sure that as you write this statement that you've drawn the picture and that it matches it exactly. Okay, so then essentially all we have to do now is we have to prove. And here what we want to prove in this occasion, well, we want to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That's all we have to prove. And so I've just written that down mathematically. And so then we are just going to start into our proof. So again, pause the video, make sure you have your heading down as Theorem 6 and the title of the heading that each, or the title of the theorem, that each exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So sum we know always means adding. So adding the two interior angles that are opposite to the exterior one, they have to be the same. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So that's what we want to prove, and so now we're going to look very quickly at the proof of it. Well, okay, here, so in our proof, we're just going to examine the diagram here and write down what we know. So, well, the first thing that we know here is angle 3 plus angle 4. They must be equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because it's a straight angle. So that's the first thing that we're writing down here. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. And so the other observation from our diagram here is that, well, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, well, they are equal to each other. Why? They're equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because the angles in a triangle all add up. We've just proven it to 180 degrees. So again, we're going to write that down here. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. And again, we'll write our reason. And so now, basically, we have two statements that are both equal to 180 degrees. So we can just let those equal to each other. So here I'm going to have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees, as is angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, so that's the first bit done. Then the other thing I can see now, well, if I was to get rid of 3 here and 3 here, I'd be left with what I want to prove. And so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to subtract angle 3 from this side. And so if I do that here, I have to do it on the other side of the equals. And so when I do that, they cancel from there and there. And so I'm left with angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. And that's exactly what we want to prove. So very quickly we have that proven, and we can write our QED to show that we're done and put a red box around it again. Okay, so pause the video there and make sure that you get all of these statements down. Okay, exactly as it appears here. And that's Theorem 6 completed.